Welcome guys, in front of me I have video recorder Xblitz Park View Ultra, and I'm going to show you how we can manage the auto turn off option. So for the first we have to click right here to enter the menu, click it one more time, and right now just go for the power off, click OK, and here we got 4 options. There's the never, 30 seconds, 1 minute, 3 minutes. So when we set it up on the 30 seconds for example, after that time our recorder is going to automatically turn off, so we don't want to right, because it is going to record all of our way when we are riding car or bus, whatever you use. So we have to set it up as never, and right now this device is not going to automatically turn off. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.